How do you feel?
You know what? I feel great. First of all, I thank the God Almighty for what has happened today. It's a victory for democracy in Nigeria.
Mr. Governor, what does this victory mean for the people of Osun?
That is what I'm saying. A victory for democracy. A victory for Osun people that stood by me, that say, Imole, you have done a lot for us. You have given us the dividend of democracy in terms of infrastructure, improving our education, agriculture, and so forth. So this is the Osun people saying thank you, Mr. Governor. That's why they,
in the next 4 years, how do you repay that thank you back?
I will repay that thank you back to making sure that I have a vision. My vision is to make sure Osun State move from civil servant state to industrial state, and make sure all cut across Osun State, development is on. I love you, Osun State. I love you, and I love you. Okay. Thank you.
Are you extending the olive branch to your co-constituents?
Yes, that this is no victor, no vanquish. I want them to come over. I'm expecting Oyebanji to even, as a civilized person, to call me and congratulate me. And of course, I want to seize the opportunity to thank Mr. President. Mr. President has called me and he has congratulated me. And thank you, Mr. President, for making sure democracy lives on, because you fought for it, Mr. President.
Mr. Governor, did you ever express the fear at any time that this victory may not come eventually?
You know, I have answer to that. I have a God who never fails. I have a God who never fails. I have a God who never fails. This never fails. Jesus never fails. Forevermore. Hello? Thank you very much. Come on, man.